Oh, yeah, you got them valves. I forgot about all that. Gosh dang.
It's like...
Holy pops. Just the fact how much it resonates off the house is pretty impressive. Gosh dang.
Like, it's so loud.
Probably scared the life out of that woman. They were looking.
Like,
Goodness gracious. It just pops almost on command.
yeah, like it pops a lot more than before. Before I was like struggling to make it pop. Now it's kind of like, okay, it'll just pop. Whatever.
You don't even know how to try.
It's kind of.
Well, I thought that car's about to do it.
I mean, we can both have a nice check, so.
Go get you another one.
Yeah. Never tried launch control. Let's see if anybody's behind me. I haven't tried launch control. Oh, no, I'm going up. Somebody behind me?
No, you're good right now.
It's not gonna be. I'm not gonna time it. I just want to see what it sounds like.
There's a car coming up here on the in front.
Oh, I activated it. Alright.
Yeah, so this doesn't do the this is like my car where it won't DSG fire on launch control.
No, yeah, I thought it would. I thought it would. That was the first time I've done launch control with the downpipe.
No, what it does is it engages both clutches simultaneously, so it doesn't have to do DSG farts. Because all it is just torque reduction. That's why Chargers do it. They're not dual clutches, but they do it because they have a form of torque reduction.
Gotcha.
All right, if you want to do the loop that me and Michael do, just turn left or right up here.
Okay. Yeah, I have no clue where I'm at.
Yeah. Luckily, I know this area like the back of my hand. There'll be a red light, you just keep going and you'll turn right at that light, but it's a minute.
Morris Road.
Yeah, you'll turn right on a Baker's Bridge.
It's so aggressive, like.
It's mad aggressive.
Just in case it's any cops by these churches, I know that I can sit by churches.
I've seen some down in that parking lot down there, but it looks like you're good.
This light make it right.
Yep. Oh, we get the green arrow too. Lucky day. Gosh dang.
It's so loud. Like,
Yeah.
before, I mean, it had some loud pop before.
It's a noise to it, but it wasn't like.
Yeah, it didn't pop like all the time,
Yeah.
and it just wasn't as aggressive. Now I just if I downshift, like it's just so aggressive.
How's the drone?
So like when I'm driving like
thing is I don't want to make my car so loud that it drones
Right.
uncontrollably. And plus, you got 2 extra gears that I don't have
Right.
because mine's only the 6.
That's what I like about it, because like these people, they get the some of the guys that get the MB, I think it's an MBPR.
MBRP.
Yes, that one.
Yeah.
They get those exhausts and they don't have the valve. So with the Porla, you have the valve, so you can be loud when you want.
Or just
And then like
kind
I
of
can
cruise.
just cruise. Like if I'm going on a trip and I don't want to hear all that damn drone, you want to hear it in the car.
Yeah, it'll just keep going straight.
Yeah.
I'll let you know when I turn.
So smoking.
Probably burning oil. Good old diesels. Old diesels like that. That seems like an old truck.
And then since I'm like in 7th gear, there's no drone. And just when you put it in the in mode, then it's just like.
It's like unleashes all.
It's just like.
That road used to be my freaking back road of choice back when I was in high school.
Really?
I had to drive that road to go home. You can imagine how scary it was in the Explorer.
Oh yeah.
Stock ride height. I didn't lower it until I was working at Advance.
Hell no. I'm not gonna lower this car at all. Just gonna leave it.
I think I might do like a tad on mine. I'm not going crazy. Functional. Functionally low.
Function.
I don't want it to be on the ground or anything like that. I know
Yeah,
that's like the
no.
thing with GTIs now is put them on air and
I mean, if you're on air, it's different.
yeah. The only thing is bags aren't the most reliable thing for daily drivers.
Nah. You can get a hole in them.
Yep, you can pop one, you can get a leak. I mean, and then you're SOL.
Yeah.
So I don't want to deal with bags on my daily. Maybe one day I'll build a car with bags on it, but all I know is this truck is going mad slow.
I know. It sucks.
Because these roads are straight as an arrow. Gosh dang.
Because I watched at that car wash before.
Yeah.
But yeah, I couldn't get it to pop. I'm like, what the heck? So I went to Walmart and I parked there, turned the car off, turned it back on, check engine light.
Uh-oh.
I'm like, what? So I pulled up the codes and it was like something, it was like running too lean or something, and then like another code for like something with the CO2 sensor or something stuck or something. I was like, what?
Weird.
So I cleared it, car pops again.
Been fine.
Yeah.
Might have been in some level of limp mode.
Well, yeah, because I think
It'll be right up here.
right up here.
Yep.
So that happened to somebody else in the forums. I looked and their pop stopped working and then they had to check engine light, but they never checked the code.
Right. That's 06 that just passed us. There's a house up here that has a Type R. I've seen it so many times.
Oh, limp. But we're limp.
Oh, they're just going to limp mode on you?
It's weird. I don't know if it's something to do with the defouler though.
Maybe, I don't know.
It's really weird.
Well, now I can title this video "Gone Wrong."
I don't know. It's really weird. Like, I feel like it has something to do with the defouler. Maybe the cord is like,
A little bit goofed up.
yeah, see, too lean.
Ripperonis. Yeah, I can definitely feel it's down on power.
Yeah. I wonder if it's the defouler. Anyways. That's so weird.
You getting an O2 code too? Or just the link code?
No, it's a fuel trim. Something to do with the pops.
You haven't tuned it yet, have you?
No, but I think it's bad gas.
Where'd you get gas at?
I don't remember. I don't remember where you're.
Oh, yeah, it'll be the next one on the right.